Welcome to instructional videos. Today we are going to set up the bubble sign. So before you install the graphic into the bubble sign, you want to hang your hardware first. So using the included screws, you want to remove the plastic shield from the sign and then insert the screws through the hole and attach to the surface. Once you have the hardware installed, then you can install the graphic. So to install the graphic, you're simply going to lay the graphic over the hardware, and then you're going to install this protective covering over your graphic. And you're just going to slide it in to the bottom and top grooves on the hardware. It is just that easy to set up your bubble sign.